my name is Kunjbati and welcome to MP Boys, and today I am doing Abacus scale table of 48.
48,
96, 144, 192, 240, 288, 336, 384, 432, 480, 528, 576, 624, 672, 720, 768, 816, 864, 912, 960. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and subscribe my channel MP Boys. Thanks for watching.